Introducing the Phoenix Portable Soldering Iron. Gone are the days of reaching with both hands into tight spaces, needing power points at every workspace, and standing unsafely on ladders when soldering wires. Phoenix represents innovation and an opportunity for revolution in the hand tool industry. Able to be used in confined spaces, its cordless body is both ergonomic and sturdy, allowing for easy, one-handed use. Charged quickly and easily, the value of the Phoenix Portable Soldering Iron is in its versatility to both industry professionals and DIY hobbyists alike. With a modern and sleek design, its introduction into the hand tool market would revolutionise the quality and quantity of electrical connections that are possible today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation and thank you for watching. Regards, the Phoenix Soldering Iron team.